How to fix Ticketmaster pardon the interruption on iPhone. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, you want to go ahead and simply switch the Wi-Fi to cellular. This error often happens when your IP gets flagged, so try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next step is to go ahead and turn off your VPN or ad blocker. VPN's private relays or ad blocker can trigger security flags, so you want to go ahead and toggle it off. Next, open the Settings application. Inside here, scroll below and then simply tap on Apps. Inside Apps, you want to go ahead and simply search for Safari and then tap onto it. Now inside here, scroll below and then simply tap on Clear History and Website Data. Go ahead and tap on Clear History. And once you do that, you want to go ahead and restart your Ticketmaster application. Once it is done, head back to your home screen, and then the next step is to go ahead and force close and reopen the app. If you have opened the app, you want to go ahead and simply swipe up and close the Ticket app completely. Wait for a few seconds and relaunch the application. After you do that, open the App Store in your mobile device, tap on the search icon and then search for Ticketmaster. Once you search for it, if it says update instead of open, you want to go ahead and tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. After it is done, head back to your home screen and then try opening your app and see if the issue still persists. If it does, you want to go ahead and long press on the app, then tap on remove app, then tap on delete app, then tap on delete again. Once it is deleted from your device, you want to visit the App Store and then reinstall the application again. And just like that, you'll then be able to fix your issue. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.